Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see the remaining part of mother's voice. So, what are the things we have seen in the previous class? That is a mother's voice, which is representation of mother's voice, which is always heard by the son. Yes, so that is a mother and son who are standing in the space and they are sharing their experience that what they did in their past life and in between their conversation, the son started to collect the memories of his mother. His mother always used to sing a song when their guest arrived at their home, and the son always used to listen the mother's voice, and she used to watch the thing which is presented around her. That is a mother and son who are standing in the space. That is, they are standing in the moon space. So in previous class we have seen lot of things, and now we are going to see the remaining part of the mother's voice. Yes. So now we are going to see, that is when they looked at the astrodrome, where two spaceships the size of the Astinkino TV tower were pointed into the black void of the universe. She sighed again. What are these? That is, already we learned that the mother and son who are standing in the space and they are sharing some conversation. Yes, so now the mother is watching the astrodrome. Not only mother, the mother and son, they are watching the astrodrome where two spaceship is there. What is the meaning of astrodrome? Is a place for satellite. Okay, so now the mother and son, they are watching the astrodrome where two spaceship is there, which is the size of Astinkino TV tower, which means that Astinkino TV tower is the largest tower in Russia. So likewise, the two spaceship is very large one, okay, which is noticed by the mother and son. So that is when she noticed the Astinkino TV tower, she sighted. That is, it was very large. So that she sighted, and she started to ask, like, what are these? So whenever she watched anything, she started to raise a question. That is, what are these? So likewise, the mother is asking some questions to her son. Okay. Long range spaceships, mother. They are planning an expedition to a neighboring galaxy. She screwed up her eyes to look at the rockets where assemblymen were busy. They looked quite small from a distance. She said quietly, "Why should people go off into the unknown? Why ask for trouble? These are very reliable spaceships, mother." So now, that is, the mother raised a question to the son. Now the son is replying to his mother, that is, it was a long range spaceship. There's a long range spaceship which is told by the son. And also he explained that they are planning to make a journey to a neighboring galaxy. Okay, so likewise the son replied to the mother, and she screwed up her eyes to look at the rockets where assemblyman were busy. That is, she screwed. What is the meaning of screwed up? It means that she's shrinking. That is, she is shrinking her eyes and she is looking at the rockets where some of the people are standing and they are very busy for their work, and they all looked like very small. Okay, so while she is watching from a distance, so likewise the thing is explained here. Okay, she said quietly, and she started to converse to herself, that is, why should people go off into the unknown? That is, she is asking some questions to herself, that why people often wandering to go another place or unknown place. So likewise the mother asking some questions to herself, why ask for trouble? That is, why people are wandering to go another place, why they are wandering to involve in trouble. So likewise the mother asking some questions to herself. These are very reliable spaceships, mother. So when she is asking some question to herself, which is heard by the son, and now he is replying to the mother, that is, it is a protective spaceship. So likewise the son is replied to the mother. The next thing is, wouldn't it make more sense to settle properly on the moon first and then on the planets in the solar system before going further? So now the mother is telling that, so first to move this so first to move the moon properly, after that to move on the solar system. That is, she explained that to move on the moon first properly, after that only to move on the solar system. So likewise she is explaining the thing. The next thing is, it was stern to sigh. You may be right, but what? How do I know? He longed to tell her about the flight he was longing for and about how nervous he had been when confronted by the selection commission. But he checked himself. It was their last meeting before his departure, so why spoil it? So now the son started to watch many things, and he wants to say something to his mother. That is, it was now his turn to say, you may be right, but so whenever the mother is asking some questions, the son having some answers, but he is in a confusion whether he want to tell or not. So likewise he is in a confusion, and in between he said something that is, you may be right. That is, the son is telling to his mother that you may be right, mother, but means he is in a confusion whether he want to say or not. And when he said like this, but what? That is, when he said like this, the mother suddenly replied that, but what? What do you want to say? So likewise, the mother raised some questions. Okay, how do I know? Now the son is wondering that how do I tell? So likewise, the son is telling to the mother. He longed to tell her about the flight he was longing for and about how nervous he had been very confronted by the selection commission. So now the son is recollecting the thing that how he feels nervous and how he is very feared while he is in a process to select for the space by the selection commission. Okay, that is, he is recollecting the thing. Okay, and but he checked himself, and he is also checking himself that whether he want to tell her or not. It was the last meeting before his departure, and he also telling to himself that it was the last meeting before is going to departure. Okay, so why spoil it? So he don't want to spoil it. Have you understood? That is, he want to say something to his mother, but he is in a confusion whether he want to tell to his mother or not. And in between he also explained or remember the thing to himself, that is, how he feels nervous, how he feels fears while the selection committee is going to select people for space. Okay, so this is the thing happened here, and he don't want to spoil the thing. Okay, and he don't want to spoil the thing. And the next thing is, mothers were all the same, and she was sure to get upset. So now the son has explained about the mother, that is the characteristics of mother. So how the mother will be, that is, they're always expressing their pure love, no? So likewise the son now explaining about the mother, that all the mothers are same. So he don't want to upset his mind. Okay, and he felt good listening to her. That is, his son is always loved to hear the voice of mothers, and he don't want to spoil the mindset of the mother. Okay, and do you know why people settled on the moon so easily? She was That is, do you know why people settled on the moon so easily? She was philosophizing. It's because they are in the gravitation field of their native earth under their native sun. It's a space allotted to us by nature, but if you leave your sun, anything might happen. So now the mother wants to say, that is, he says something like philosophy. Okay, so now the mother is explaining something to the son, that is, do you know why people are always interest to settle in a moon? So likewise she is asking, and she also replied that because the gravitation field of the native earth. So in this image, you could see that the earth is near to the moon, right? That is, and that is the gravitation force of the earth only. People are like to settle on the moon. So likewise she explained, that is, she says that people are very interested to settle on the moon because of the gravitation field under the sun. And she also explained it that nature allotted many place to the people. And he also said that if you leave the sun, anything will happen. So likewise she explained the thing. And he listened and listened as if drinking water from a spring on the earth. In the shade of the trees, his mother's looking in the direction of the vast blue globe, lowered her voice and continued. So now, whenever his mother used to talk to the son loves to hear the voice of the mother. Okay, so whenever he is listening the voice of the mother, he feels like he is drinking some water from a spring on the earth. That is, her voice is seems to be like to drink water from the earth. Okay, so that much sweet is the mother voices. Okay, in the shade of the trees. That is, so whenever the son used to hear the voice from the mother, it is like she is drinking the water from the earth in the shades of the tree. So likewise he explained about what he felt inside of him when he heard the voice from the mother. His mother looking in the direction of the vast blue globe. So now the mother is looking towards the blue globe. So in space, blue globe is there, and now she is looking at the blue globe, and she started to say something. That is, isn't it a miracle? The earth floats through space all by itself. So now the son and mother, they are watching the globe, and now the mother is asking that, look son, isn't it a miracle? So that is, the mother can't believe this. So when he is watching the blue globe nearly, okay, that is, the mother and son, they are watching the earth which is floats through the space. That is, the blue globe which is floating on the space, which is noticed by the mother and son. See the snow cap on the pole and the glittering ocean, the cradle of life. And you want to leave this fabulous beauty? That is, the mother and son, they are watching the globe, and they are watching that on the top of the globe there is some snow cap is there, and which attract the mother and the son. And now the mother is telling that the earth is very beauty, how the people are easily leave these fabulous beauty. So likewise the mother is asking to her son. He suddenly saw everything with different eyes. He saw how beautiful his native planet was, a real wonder of nature. So now only the son realized that how much beauty the earth is. Okay, so that is when he was standing with his mother. Now only he could realize that the earth is very beauty. He never felt before like this. He had never felt that the way before his heart ached. So that is, he never felt that he couldn't attracted by the earth. Now he is attracted by the globe. That much he attached to the beauty of the globe. So likewise he feels. When you take your holiday, so now the mother is asking that. So when you come with me in holiday, so likewise the mother is asking, I don't know mother. So now the son is telling that he don't know. That's why I asked you to come. I don't know when we will see each other again. So that's why mother is asking. That is, the mother is asking her son to come in holidays for their native place. But the son replied that he don't know. So likewise he said. And Again, the mother says that that's why he is asking him to a native place. But you know very well that there would be no holidays, that his mother was seeing him for the last time. The thought of such a tremendous journey was already sending a chill through his heart. And his son knows that he don't have the holiday to visit their native place, which means their home. He knows that, and this is the good journey for both of them. And he feels very happy. That is, the son feels very happy while he is watching these scenarios on the space. At least try to come in, Atom, she pleaded, in time for the apples, pears, and the watermelons. And again she started to asking his son to come to their native place. Because especially at autumn season, in autumn season there is lot of apples, pears, and watermelons are available on their native place. So that the mother is asking his son to come their home. You think I don't want to walk barefoot on the dewy grass? His son is replying that, Mother, do you think that I don't want to walk in dewy grass? Likewise, son is asking, Of course, you will walk on the dewy grass. And you could visit your relatives and friends. Of course, son, you are walking on the grass. Grass is nothing but it's a small plant, no? Yes. So, of course, you would walk on the grass and you just to visit your relatives and friends. So, likewise, the mother is telling to the son. She shrank from the thought that her son might go off into space and be lost to his relatives forever. They have deepened our pond. It's full of fish now. You like fishing. So now the son, that is, now the mother is deep in her thought that hereafter her son will not come. So likewise, she started to think, and again she started to tell her son, that is, so in their native place there is pond is there, and in that pond there is full of fishes there. And again she asking to her son that you like fishing, right? So likewise she is mesmerizing her son. Okay, operator on duty, report to office, a voice beloved from the loudspeaker. So now there is a voice which is came from the loudspeaker, that is a voice of operator on duty, that is the son who is working as an operator on space. So that is the voice which is came from the loudspeaker. He pushed a button and the screen went dark. His mother felt silent, coming. So now only we could understand that he is, that is the son is recollecting the memory, which means that it already happened, but now he is recollecting the memory. That is how he spent his time with his mother. Okay, so that is he is recording the audio, and by that he is experiencing the thing that he is on the space with his mother. Okay, coming, that is when he heard, that is he received a voice from the loudspeaker, he replied to the commander, that is coming. So likewise he replied to the commander. He often plays back these recordings and he feels as if he is walking again with his mothers on the moon. Looking down at his native planet, this group had gone off to another galaxy after all. So that is, now only you could understand that it was a recording which is replied by the son, and whenever he is hearing the mother's voice in a audio record, and he feels that he is always with his mothers. Okay, and their group, they are moved to the next galaxy, and they had left their native sun, which means that they left their native sun. Okay, so they left the earth and they move on to the next galaxy. They had left their native sun, which was now just a 12th magnitude star visible through the telescope. So, sun is a 12th magnitude star which is visible by the telescope, and they couldn't see the earth at all. So, after that, they couldn't see the earth. Why had they gone? Because they were young and humanity is young. So, why they moved one place to another galaxy? That is, they are very young and the humanity is young. So likewise the text will be ended. This is the mind map. That is, when they came to the moon, she looked around and admired the moonscape. That is, when the mother came to the moon space, she started to watch the thing which is presented in the space. The next thing is, she said, I never realized it was such a beautiful place. So, when she was in the space, she feels very happy while she is watching things. He took her along the endless tunnels of Selenopolis, showing her tall structures. That is, she watched all the things which is presented on the space. His mother had still a young ringing voice. So, how the mother voices? That is, her voice is like a ringing voice. So long as he could remember her, she had always liked singing. That is, she loved to singing, right? So, this is the mind map. Thank you, students.